Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another video, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So this cute bob curly lace frontal wig is from LinderWigs. Y'all, let me just give you the details real quick on this wig. This wig comes with a pre-plucked hairline, as you can see, and it does come with bleached knots. Now the only thing is, I do wish that this lace was more transparent, because it just would have been the perfect install. So anyways, girl, I'm about to just let the video do all the talking, because this has been like my wig I've been wearing for the last 3 weeks, because I just love it so much. So I'm going to go in and cut this lace. But you know what? Now that I cut the lace off, it does blend a lot more into my hairline. So I take that back about the lace being too light. Girl, let's get into it.
Got it, flown it, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it.
So as I expected, the parting space on this wig is A1, especially because the hairline is A1. But for today's look, I do not want to go with a part. Girl, I either want to go with a flip over or just a pushback look, because I just feel like this hairline, this texture, it's just giving. And I'm just going to do like 2 little baby hairs on the side. Girl, this wig is like so bomb, y'all. I know I seem like super excited on the voiceover, but y'all, I love this wig. Like, I was not expecting for this wig to look the way it did in this video, especially because like when I was washing the hair or whatever, I was like, now this loose curl pattern is so not my thing. But y'all, I'm telling y'all, this hairline made this wig. Girl, let's just keep watching, okay?
Got it, flown it, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Check up on it, check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it, check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Come over and check up on it. Check up on it.
before I actually get into defining the curls, I'm just going to zoom in and slow the clip down so you girls can really get into the hairline on this wig and how melted this lace is. Now I am going to go in and cut the sides where the baby hair is, where you can see the lace coming up a little bit, but girl, it's already given pretty much. So I did go ahead and tie my hair down just because I wanted everything to lay flat and be melted. So I did go in with some water and leave-in conditioner to mist the hair, and then I'm going in with the Cantu curly and wavy hair mousse. I really don't know how I feel about this. I picked this up when I was in Vegas because they didn't have the blue mousse that I normally get, so I just grabbed this again for this video. But girl, so far it's doing what I needed to do, so I'm not even gonna complain or worry about it. Now the curls is being defined and I'm not having any issues with running my fingers through the hair or even running the powder brush through the hair. So the curls is definitely being defined. And of course, after you define the curls and detangle the curls, then you definitely need to go in and scrunch the hair. Now you can use a towel or you can use a diffuser. And girl, I'm just still loving this hair, especially like as these curls is being defined and scrunched and drying. And girl, let me tell you something. Look how, look at this lace, y'all. Do y'all see this hairline on this wig? This got me tripping because I just wasn't expecting this from the wig, especially like I said, when I was washing the hair, I'm like, this is not going to really give the way I want it to, but we're going to make it work. Girl, look at that. Look at how much volume is in this wig with it not even being dry. But the most important thing that I love about this wig besides the hairline is when this hair dries, it gets a little bigger, but the curls and the definition is still there and it looks so natural. So of course I'm going to go in with the concealer just to emphasize the lace parting just a little bit, and I think it just makes it look a little bit more clean. So yeah girl, I'm about to let my hair dry and I'm going to come back and show y'all what it looks like when it's dry.
While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on it.
So this hair dries hella quick. It took like 10 to 15 minutes, and that's no cap for this wig to dry. Now it is about 90% dry, so some areas, like especially in the back, is still kind of damp, but majority of the hair, especially in the front, is pretty much dry. That's why I'm able to fluff it out and it's not getting frizzy. Girl, this is my go-to wig, period. So everything will be below in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Highly recommend this wig, especially if you're going for like a short, natural, curly bob look. Girl, yes.